Here are the 5 biggest mistakes that hiring managers make. Number 5, hiring clones. A mistake that hiring managers make is trying to hire clones of themselves, instead of hiring a team with diversified skill sets and superpowers. Number 4, when a hiring manager tells a candidate there's no competition. When a hiring manager tells the candidate that there is no competition, the company eliminates FOMO in the candidate, they lose all their leverage, and the price tag invariably goes up. Number 3, recruiting against the ideal. A mistake some hiring managers make is having a skewed perception of what they can attract. The result is they turn up their nose to great candidates, turn down good candidates, all because they're hoping for the ideal candidate. Number 2, being indecisive. Making a hiring decision is tough. I'm not trying to minimize it. But the best hiring managers make decisions. They don't keep candidates on the back burner, and they make offers decisively. And the number 1 mistake hiring managers make is they take too long in the hiring process. The best talent in the market is here today, gone tomorrow. So have a streamlined process that gets candidates in and out evaluated in a timely fashion. We all know that money talks, but in the war for talent, speed is what wins. Follow me for more job interviewing tips and tricks and hiring best practices.